Hello learners, so today's video is about choose function. This is a function which is used in Excel to return a value from a list based on an index number. So in this function we have to give a lot of range, a lot of input values from which based on the index number the function returns the value. It is useful when you want to select from multiple options such as choosing between specific values, range or functions depending on the result what you want as an expression or condition. So let's start this video and see how the choose function works. We are having some dishes names over here. So let us assume we want to choose the index number 2, that whatever comes at the index number 2. So in this case we can select the cells like this, and when we press enter we get burger because it is at the index number 2. This is the way in which we can use cell referencing for giving the values. Next we can also hard code them by saying that we want the second thing, and options are like ice cream, comma, chocolate, comma, pizza. So in this case we got the chocolate as an answer because it is at the index number 2. So these are the values that choose can return based on the index number. You can list up to 254 values, means you can give 254 options in this function. So if your list is having 254 or less than that entries, then you can use a choose function. So these were the two options in which we have given hard coding and cell referencing. Let's see how to use function. So let's assume we want the sum. So we are having options like this: average, and these are the numbers. Then comes sum, and these are the numbers. Then comes count, and these are the numbers. So in this case we want the second thing. The second option is sum. So it will return us the sum option. Next we will see how to use it using formulas. So let's assume we want the first option, and in this case we can say we want this plus this, comma, this plus this, comma, this plus this, and closing the parenthesis, and we want the first option, means 10 plus 4. So answer is 14. So the choose function is versatile and can be combined with other functions, as we have seen over here. That we have taken average, sum, count, and whatever we want we can choose from here. We can change it as well, like if we want average now we can say 1 and it will return us the average. Let's assume we want count now, so we can say, if we want count we can say 3, so it will return us the 6 as the number of entries. So it is very dynamic, and so it can be combined with other functions, formulas, and conditional logics to make your Excel model more dynamic. If you want to give an options of some functions, formulas, text, some numbers, you can give using this function. So in this video we have seen the choose function using hard coding, with the cell referencing, with formula, means we have seen it over here that we can add, multiply, divide, whatever we want. We can give functions and we can give nested function as well. So hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel and follow the channel on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.